I just want to talk to you right quick a little bit before we actually get into this video. This video, I've taken it months ago, probably a few days after my last video was posted. I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about it and what else is left to come maybe to my channel. I know it seems like I haven't been posting anything. It's just a lot's been going on. But what's to come is mostly going to be around the Civic, the Honda Civic. I got some big plans for it. It's going to be probably about February-ish before this project will start. I want your guys' opinion if you guys want to know what it is. If not, I'll just keep it a surprise. I really want to tell you, but I'd rather it just being a surprise, other than if I get enough people wanting to know what it is. But now this is something big, like this is major, like this ain't nothing like a small little part or something getting put on it. It's something major's gonna happen, and hopefully it's gonna be around February that will come the way, and there will be a lot of videos coming up once that happens, because this ain't gonna be just one video and done. It's going to be a lot. It's going to be a step-by-step project, and I'm going to have daily update videos and stuff of it. With work and stuff, it's going to be a little hard to completely do it in like a couple days, so it's going to be a progress. So you guys really going to want to check that out. Like I said, if you want to know more about it, comment below. Other than that, stay tuned. Here's your video. Hope you like it. Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna do a small little video. I'm gonna show you the difference between the baffle being in the exhaust and then with it out in sound quality. First we're gonna try it with the baffle, and then we're gonna try it without. This is starting to get hard to see, but there's a bolt here. I already have it out. You're going to need a Allen key for one side and a wrench for the other. I don't know what size wrench because I just used a. And then after you get the two of them out, it just slides out like that. Now, we're going to see what this sounds like.